Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Diane once more. Thanks for joining. Today I will be showing you how I cut my applique using a soldering torch. So to do this, you've got to be very careful because the soldering torch, the soldering iron, is very hot. You must rest your applique on a bit of paper, not directly on your table, because it damages when you cut through. So as you can see, I've rested my applique on some cardboard and then I'm cutting very carefully. The soldering iron gets very hot, so you must be very careful in handling this. This must not be handled at no time at all by kids because it's very dangerous. And if you look carefully, you'll see how easily and how quickly the mesh is separating from the applique, because I just want the applique to use for my dress and not the mesh. So I am cutting, but it's very sharp and quick touches, because as soon as you touch with the tip of your soldering torch, it cuts. So it's just quick movement, quick touches, but I'm telling you, it is so effective, so good to use. So it is advisable if you're gonna make a garment and you need to cut your applique away from your mesh, get a soldering torch. When you first start using your soldering torch, because mine was new, when you first start using it, it smells like burned metal and it smokes a lot. And that smoke, as soon as your soldering torch gets really hot, that smell and that heavy smoke disappears. So just so you know, if you buy one and you start using it, don't think it's catching fire, because at first I thought, oh dear, is it gonna blow up? But no, it's like it was burning the new metal away. And then once that all happens, it was fine. So it's safe to use, and to be honest, I enjoyed using it. I enjoyed doing it because it did just what I wanted to do. I was trying to do all of that using a scissors, but no way I could achieve what I've achieved using the soldering torch. So it is advisable, it's a good thing to use. And as you can see here, I'm just really gliding through it, and that's why it's good to have the cardboard underneath, because you just cut away and cut ahead while you've got your cardboard underneath. While you're cutting, just make sure when you cut you're careful, because if you cut wrong part of it, you might ruin your applique. So just be very careful. Don't get distracted when you're cutting. Try not to drop the soldering torch, and be very careful holding the soldering torch. Also, if you should think the handle of the torch feels a bit warm to you, just get a bit of cotton fabric and to hold it. But mine was fine, I was okay with it. And like I said, you just be very careful using it. But once you will see at the end, because I sort of show the applique after I've done it, and once I finish cutting, you will see it's very clean, sharp and crisp cut, and just ready to be attached to my dress. And as you can see here, it's so nice. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tap that bell so you know whenever I load something else. And here you go, this is my applique. It's very easy to do. Until next time, walk good.